Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
And today we're going to do two of my very favorite things. We're going to paint and we're going to collage. I love both things. I know, it's fun. Now actually, I already did the painting because if you watched me paint, it would take a long time. I used watercolors and I painted, although I did drip some blue paint from another project, but I painted one with warm colors and one with cool colors. And I'm going to cut up these pieces and make a collage on a blank piece of paper. What do you think of that? So all you need is some paper that you can paint on with watercolors. Watercolor, a brush, some water, and then 3 pieces of paper and glue. That's all you need for this project. So now that I've actually already done the painting, I'm going to take my scissors and cut this up. I was thinking that maybe I'd do kind of a weaving pattern with that so you can really see the colors stand out. And I may just go ahead and do that. So I'm cutting it into strips. I did not use watercolor paper for this, so it's a little bit thin paper, but we'll see how it goes.
The glue will stick good to it.
Yes.
Watercolor paper might be a little harder to glue down.
Yes, it's very thin. So I'm not cutting exactly straight pieces because, it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm just cutting. Oops, I ripped a little bit there too. So I'm going to cut these up. This week at camp, this week and last week, a lot of kids were doing weaving on those looms with the cotton loops. Yes.
Yeah, those are fun.
It's a good thing to learn how to do over, under, over, under. I think that is a tricky thing to learn, but once you learn it, you can be really good at it. Okay, so I have all my cool strips. They're super cool. Here's my
super cool too, Miss Kate.
Thanks. My warm with a little splash of blue are getting cut up now. I was painting something in the same spot that I was painting this, and that wasn't so smart of me. It's much better to take care of business the right way. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up just a little bit. Oh, you know what we should show you while I'm doing this? I don't know if Miss Hazel can get to them. We got as a gift a pair of the wackiest scissors.
Wacky scissors.
They're
Where are they?
They're in that yellow bucket over there.
Okay,
Miss Hazel's going to cross in
Okay,
front of
watch,
the
I'm gonna
camera
pass by.
because I think you're going to love these scissors. I don't even know why anyone really needs them. They use them for vegetables, but we're going to use them for fun. Okay, so now I'm going to take my piece of paper. To do my weaving, I'm going to do something so... Oh, yeah. I can't really use them right now. Okay, I'm going to use them in a sec. But I just wanted you to see them because they're fun. So I'm going to take a... oh my gosh. I forgot to open this up. So let me...
Tricky glue.
Well, it's only because I didn't open it up. And now it's
Miss
not going to come
Kate,
out.
just so you know, if
Mhm.
you open the glue up, it works better.
That's so weird. Okay, I'm going to do a line of glue across the top. And then I'm going to put my strips of warm color down like this across the top. And I'm probably not going to use all the strips because I want my cool color strips to stick out. So I don't need to cover the whole thing. So I'm going to do this all the way across till I get to the edge. And then I'll show you the magic of this whole thing. Okay, I think we're going to stop right there. Now I'm going to take a cool strip. I'm going to, actually I'm not going to glue it yet. So I'm going to start by going under the first strip, over the second strip, under the third. I'm going to keep going all the way across, over, under, over, under. Oh, these ones are a little, I cut them differently. Oh well. So I'm going to stop there because I cut them differently. That was very silly. Okay, and now it looks like this to start, but watch what happens. I'm going to glue those down at the end. I'm going to take my next strip, and this time I'm going to start over the top of that one. Go under the second one. Over, under, all the way across till I get to the end. And I'm going to slide that up.
Oh, that's pretty, Miss Kate.
I know, I think it's going to look really nice. I love, well, this is a sort of a collage because I'm gluing everything down. And I really love to paint, as many of you know. Painting is super fun for me. So now this one, where am I going to start?
Under,
Miss Kate. I'm going to start
Kate.
under.
Good job.
You got to make sure that you pay attention to that part if you want the whole thing to be woven. And I'm going to keep going and keep going. And when I'm done, I'll glue the edges here and I'll glue across the bottom. And I will have a beautiful piece of art. And again, when I'm done, I'm going to put it up behind us somewhere in this room. And maybe you'll see it next time.
Okay. Show them the wacky scissors.
Oh, yes, the wacky scissors. Sorry, I was so excited about the wacky scissors and I forgot about them. Okay, check these out. Look how weird they are. People use them to cut up vegetables.
Like herbs.
Yeah, like herbs. Like you're going to have chives in your salad and you go like this and it would all be cut up into small pieces. But watch what happens on paper.
Ah.
Miss Hazel and I were so excited when someone gave this as a gift. Oh, I'll show you this way. So it makes fringe for us. I'm going to do another bit. So I don't know why I would want fringe on something, but if I wanted fringe on something,
so
I would be so excited.
How many blades are on those crazy scissors?
There are 5 blades on this. So look how fun that is.
Oh, so fun.
Aren't they
Learn
great?
something new every day, Miss Kate.
I know.
So
Someone brought them and we were saying, what in the world are these things? And then we were so excited that we cut up a lot of paper. We have strips of stuff everywhere around here. All right, we'll see you soon. Thanks for visiting.
Bye, friends.
Bye.